What's up, everybody? My name is Henry. So we are in Tema, Comm25. I want to show you, we installed 10 cameras inside this house. We actually gave the clients some form of perimeter security, so it's actually all around the house. Now these cameras have audio, and then they also have colored night vision, meaning that the client is able to hear every conversation on site. The project is still ongoing, but we set up the cameras and it's able to hear everything. And then at night it comes colored, even though the lights around is actually low, so it's able to get colored night vision. I want to show you the cameras around 10, so let's go. Let me show you. So that is one camera over there at the top. You can see this one oversees the main entrance. Let's go. All right, there's another camera up there. Okay, that takes care of the balcony, the big balcony. And then we have one camera too here. This camera takes care of everything that goes on here, and then they complement the camera at the top. So there is another camera out there. This camera takes care of everything here, okay? And then it complements another camera out there. You can see that one. It's a camera up there, okay? So you have two cameras there. They complement each other. Let's go. So you can just, that's another camera up there. This camera takes care of everything here and even outside, okay? Let me show you the inside one. Oh, sorry. There's another one here, I forgot. This one takes care of everything here. It complements the camera up there, okay? So let me show you the other ones inside. So there's a camera here. Give them a close shot. So there's a camera here that oversees all of this side, and then also the main hall, okay? So if you are coming upstairs, the family area at the top and the family area downstairs, it actually sees everything here. Let me show you the very last camera. And then we have one camera that sits here and then does the magic. Of course, we have one at the back here and then two this side. This one also takes care of everything here and complements all the cameras. If you have any projects for us, make sure you give us a call. These cameras, the client, like I said, is able to access these cameras on his phone in the US and is able to know everything that is going on here in the house. Give us a call. We are the best guys in the market. We have the best price. We do the best job. So if you have any ongoing projects, let's come around. Let's run the cable. If you want us to install the cameras, we can do that. While the project is going on, you can still be monitoring everything. So call us now. Our numbers are displayed on the screen. You can see them. So call us now, and then we'll do a good job for you.